morning, students. I am Amrita Kumar, your teacher from DAV NANDRAJ Public School, going to teach you a refreshing breakfast. Ingredient we needed: grated cucumber, grated carrot, mayonnaise. That's it. If you don't have mayonnaise, you can use hand-cut and fresh cream or malai, and 2 spoon of sugar and little bit of pepper and some slices of bread. Should we start now? If we are taking curd, we will add 2 spoon of fresh cream or malai, sugar, carrot, mix it well. One mixture is ready. Now, I'm taking now mayonnaise, carrot, and pepper. Now, what we will do? We will spread it with the bread nicely. And one slice one slice I am preparing for with the hand-cut mixture. Now I am going to keep it in the freeze. After 20 minutes, we will take it out of the fridge. Now we will cut it like this. Our sandwich is ready to eat. A refreshing breakfast. I hope you will enjoy making it. Bye.